Morning, guys.
Barnsey, what are we doing?
We got a little bit farther. We got the old rack out. This thing's crusty, musty. Bushings are shut too, so definitely want the new rack in there. So it felt a lot better.
Oh yeah, and it was bad. I mean, this thing was pissing absolutely everywhere.
Especially on the
And
other side.
Look at the bushings. They're destroyed. I mean, they're just mush. So this is gonna ride and drive like a whole new truck. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of scrapey and some cleaning just to make sure it's all good. We'll realign the steering wheel, get everything ready to go back in. We're gonna center the steering wheel. Well, first I've got to measure the new rack from here to the inner portion of the inner tie rod to make sure both sides are evenly spaced. Great, not a problem. There's our new rack.
Oh, baby.
New tie rods are here. I'm not even opening them up yet. So we'll count our threads to get an exact. Excuse me.
Yummy.
Count our threads to get an exact, mark down our numbers. We have to salvage this nut on each side, which is not a big deal. So once that's done, we'll center everything on the new rack, get our measurements, count the exact same threads going back in, center the steering wheel, so that when everything goes back on, we will be as close to center as possible with no pull to right or to left, and there won't be any issues that way. So Burnsy's doing a little bit of cleaning because it was really, really bad.
That one we want to sit back.
Spraying brake parts cleaner, we have more on the ground from the brake parts cleaner than this system had in it. So, Burnsy, I'll let you get back to it, and we'll see you guys hopefully in a couple of minutes with it back together. Unfortunately, it took way longer than planned on because the roll pin, which holds that in place through that little small opening in between the splines, did not want to come out. So it took a lot to get it out. No damage. Thank God.
Yeah.
But yeah, Burnsy's just cleaning everything up so it goes back together nice and easily. And we'll line everything up, do our numbers, and we'll get back to you. Burnsy, what do we say?
Deuces.